so happy nga dirigi held ang event karon sa swimming competition. It's because grabe ka hapsay ang palibot, labaw na ang swimming pool, which is naay duha ka swimming pool nga 25 meters and 50 meters, which is really good for the swimmers. We are hoping daghan pa kaayong mga swimmers or mga students na active sa sports like swimming.
I'd encourage everyone, especially sa katong mga kabatanunan, mga elementary and secondary na mga students. We encourage you to join and involve sports activities, especially swimming, because it will encourage us makapainganyo sa itong mga kabataan, especially sa ilahang disiplina, because through sports, our children will become the future of our nation.